So if you guys are looking for a filter system, this is perfect for you guys. All right, we got our gauge set up in here. Want to spin it. So let's go and install it, and we're going to tighten it up as much as we can. Not too much. Make sure you leave some space because the pressure builds up. It could crack this thing. So on these, they have the washers already, all right, which is great. All right, cap goes in there, washer with the cap. I like that they give you the extra option too, in case of with a flexi one, in case you don't have some, you could actually use the metal stainless steel locks. That you have the capability of setting these up. There's two different levels for two different types of hose. All right, for the pump, I got these adapters, all right, because I have the 2-inch hose and 1.5 to 2 inch. All right, so I have B and B coming out from the pool into the pump, into the filter, to my heater, and into the water. So just unlock everything before you turn it on, and then I'm going to show you the controller. So open. So we want to filter it first. 4 hours. We're going to set it up 4 hours. You can change the timer here. All right, different times if you want, but right now we're going to set it 4 hours. All right, here we have it. We already cleared out the water leaks. We got the timer set up. So we got 2 coming from B coming in to the pool, going to the pump, to the water filter, to my heater. Now the heater is pushing out the water, and look at the pressure on it. Beautiful. So we are adding a little bit water more because I did lose some water when I was making the changes. Now let's check out the pressure on this one. Pressure is really good. It's on the green, if you guys can see that, almost to the yellow, but we're gonna let go of some air later on. But my recommendation, elevate this a little bit more. There is also an area that you could ground this to the actual floor. 2 inch to 1.5. I had to buy the adapters. That's the only thing. It did come with one adapter, but the other 2 adapters on the main pump didn't include it. You have to buy your own.